Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blurry on WhatsApp. To know how to fix or how to solve blurry on WhatsApp, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of WhatsApp and we click. Here in this page of app unfold, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store. You can search about WhatsApp, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.